A master power switch is not only great. If I leave this room, I have a button to kill all the power, and in my shop, I have a button to kill all the power. Well, guess what happened a few months ago? I went in to use my soldering iron, and it just wouldn't get hot. Thermostat on it was saying like 800 degrees. And I'm like, what is going on? What is going on? And I looked, and there's chew marks on my cable, and the cat chewed the cable. Luckily for the cat, the power's off. So I didn't know she was like going through a teething stage. So she was chewing up the wires.
The Know Your Gear podcast.
T Texas Tiller, this Amanda grabbed this. Thanks, Amanda. Says recommendations on a soldering iron. You know, my favorite one is the Weller. I'll pull it up right now. It's the one you'll see in all the videos. It's baby blue. I guess it's the same color as that Dane Electro. It's the Dane Electro. Sometimes to people look surf green. It's really like it's like a tropical turquoise color, turquoise blue. I've had this discussion with you guys before, so you guys know cameras don't capture all colors correctly. So what you see in this guitar, just like I have a Telecaster that everybody thinks is surf green and it's absolutely not surf green. It's again like a tropical finish or more like a seafoam green, and just every camera captures it is either a baby blue or is a mint green kind of color. But anyways, I just want to double check before I recommend it, because every time I recommend stuff now, I also have to go look to see how much they've jacked up the price, because everybody, oh my gosh, it has gone up so much. I thought I remember it being like $80, $70. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so let's go to it. Here's what it is. The Weller 70-watt digital soldering station. Okay, right here. And I just realized I have the wrong here, like this. Whoa, like that. That's it. And $115. And why I like it, let me move this so you can see better. Why I like it, tons of reasons. One, Weller makes some of the best stuff I think in the world. Two, all these components right here, not only can the tip be replaced, this can be replaced, every part. In fact, my cat, don't worry, I told you guys last week about how I have a master power. By the way, a master power switch is not only great because of what I'm about to tell you. Remember I told you that if I leave this room, I have a button to kill all the power, and in my shop, I have a button to kill all the power. Well, guess what happened a few months ago? I went in to use my soldering iron, and it just wouldn't get hot. And the thermostat on it was saying like 800 degrees. And I'm like, wow, that's Fahrenheit, by the way. And I was like, what is going on? What is going on? And I looked, and there's chew marks on my cable, and the cat chewed the cable. And luckily for the cat, the power's off. So I didn't know she was like going through a teething stage. So she was chewing up the wires. So I replaced this iron. I will tell you what sucked is I paid $89 for the iron. I almost thought about just buying another station, but then I was like, what am I gonna do with two stations? So so you can replace all the parts. The other thing I like about it is there's a setting in this so that when you set it to your temperature like I do, after so many minutes, it goes and starts cooling itself back down, so you don't have to worry about your iron burning up. Plus it has a little holster for the iron and a little sponge. And one of the things I like is you can get these little bottles like this. I got mine at the dollar store. They look like ketchup bottles. You can actually get like a ketchup mustard bottle if you want to, but mine's clear. And I write water on it, with a Sharpie. And then you've seen it in the videos. What you do is you get one of those. Here's why. Because if you get one of these water bottles, one like this, you can put some purified water in it, or better yet, some distilled water in it. And because it seals tight, mine has a little cap on the end. You don't have to worry about it evaporating. And that way, every time you go to solder, instead of taking your sponge and getting water, I just squirt a little water on the sponge. And so have a little bit ready to go right there. So that's something I recommend to get as well. But I absolutely love the Wellers. I recommend them. There is a cheaper Weller. Say that twice as fast. A cheaper Weller that always comes up. It's this one right here. So if you're a little bit on the trying to be money conscious. $77 is this one. I've never specifically owned this one, but I have two friends who bought this one for the same reason. They were just trying to save a little scratch, because I get it. If you're only going to solder every once in a while, I get why, $100, $150, whatever. It's going to be a lot. Again, I recommend this as well. I like all Wellers. That's just a way to go for sure. So yeah, that's my recommendation. Just go Wellers. If you like this podcast clip, you can watch the full episode by clicking here, or you can watch another video if you want to click here. And as always, I want to thank you for your time. Until the next time, know your gear.